Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This one's going to be packed full of settings and preferences that will serve as essentially tips and tricks that stay active after turning them on. We're going to lay the foundation for saving time and creating more accurate markups and measurements in Revu. So we're going to go under Tools and go down to Toolbars. And I want you guys to make sure that you have these top three turned on: the status bar, navigation bar, and the properties bar. Okay, we'll show you what those do or what tools are available on those in a minute. But just make sure that those are turned on. Otherwise, some of your tools that you'll use all the time are not even visible, and you probably don't even know about those. The other one in here is the reuse tool. So remember how I had the reuse tool turned on. So when I did a text box, when I clicked off of it, it tried to start another one. When I draw a line, I finish it. I can keep drawing lines until I hit escape and tell it that I'm done. That's the reuse tool right here, where you can turn that on, highlight it blue so that it's turned on. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.